Hello everybody, welcome to the AdClimber Getting Started Quick Training video. In this video we're going to cover the features of the software from A to Z after you sign up to have you effortlessly posting in no time. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step you're going to do is go to adclimber.com once we've emailed you your username and password information. Click on the download link and choose if you would either like to download this for Windows or Mac, and proceed to log into our software with your login information. Once you're logged into the software, scroll down and download the proper operating system you have via Mac or Windows. For this demo, we're going to use Windows, and everything is identical for Mac. So what we're going to go ahead and do and download the file, and I'm going to go ahead and pause the video for a second to bypass the time that this is going to take, so hold on a second. And you can go ahead and pause the video until your file's done downloading until it gets to this point, and we're in the final steps of the download finishing, and then we'll go ahead and install the software. So at any point during this video, feel free to just pause it and take your time and fill in the settings and save them as we're doing in the video, so everything will work accordingly. Okay, now that the software is downloaded, go ahead and click the drop down arrow and select Keep. This is just because we're under 10,000 downloads in Windows, so they ask us to verify the file. So once it's done, just simply click on the file, click Run, and now you'll have a screen in front of you that looks like this. Agree to the license and the terms, and go ahead and click Install. Windows will ask you for verification. Go ahead and click Yes, and go ahead and let the software install. Okay, the software's been installed on the machine, so I'll go ahead and click Finish. Now, some people on their first installation need to download the Java plugin. That is a prerequisite in the software installer, so if you see a checkbox for Java or Firefox, just go ahead and install those accordingly with the software when it prompts you. So once the software is installed, you're going to have a desktop on your icon that will look similar to this. So now once you have your software on your desktop and everything's installed, go ahead and click on it, and you'll now have a login box that looks like this. So use the same credentials that we gave you that you logged into the website to log into our software. Click Login. And the software is now loaded. So you are now in the software ready to start posting. Some nice features that we're doing is we're adding updates that we're doing in the near future, next couple days. This one on 5.10, for instance, will release for image randomization. We constantly add new features to the software, and we try to keep you updated. Just in case you have any questions, you can start here for reference. So the first step is going to be going to Profile and filling in your personal detail information. So let's go ahead and click on Profile first, and then you'll click on the Edit button on the next page. Leave your account information alone and just fill in the personal information section. Now this section can be anything that you want as far as your name and information, your address. You can put in here and we'll just use some basic city information. Now this section here is specifically for us to get in contact you, call it an emergency card or something if we ever need to contact you because of a billing issue or something else with an update to the software, or just to make sure you're still alive and posting okay. So we'll go ahead and just put in our information here. And with your phone number, please only enter 10 digits, no hyphens or spaces. And now this phone number here is going to be the one that will appear inside your Craigslist ads under the reply button inside of Craigslist. So just to show you this really quick, this phone number is what will come up when you're on a Craigslist ad. And I'll just hop into something really quick to show you. So let's just go into this first ad here. Actually, I think it's one of our customers. Click on Reply, and this is the phone number that will appear there. So there you have it. This phone number is the one that will appear in that section. So once this information's all filled in, go ahead and click Save. Now, once that information's saved, go ahead and put in your Craigslist account details. and a password for this account. And now what you can do is fill in your eBay information, Oodle information, and your Google Plus account information at any time. But just for the demo purposes, let's just go ahead and copy our same information and paste it into these other services until you fill them in with your correct account info. We'll go ahead and click Save. Okay, and now our credentials are done being saved. So now at this point, all we need to do is go into Advert Manager. Actually, click on the Confirm Data Saving message that will pop up for you. So click OK on that. And now we're going to go into Advert Manager. This is where you'll build all of your advertisements, be able to edit all of your advertisements, preview them, or remove them. And in our software, you can actually duplicate an ad to save yourself time on the manual ad creation process even. So let's go ahead and make a test ad. Let's go to Create an Ad. When you create an ad, you'll have a pop-up box that looks just like this. First, you're going to choose what type of ad it's going to be. You can choose between jobs, for sale by dealer items, automotive items such as RVs, snowmobiles, and things like that. Real estate can be real estate by broker, by dealer, apartments for rent, and all the categories for services, for instance, that you can post inside of. So for this video, let's just do a for sale by dealer demo. And let's click OK on that, and then you'll have another pop-up box that will appear right behind it that says choose the interior category. Now you have all of the interior categories that you can possibly post to. So let's just choose a category to run an advertisement, and let's do a general for sale ad, let's say, and go ahead and click OK. And now you'll have an interface in front of you that's really easy to work with to provide all of your information in order to post your ad on Craigslist, eBay Classifieds, Oodle, Facebook, and Google+. So let's go ahead and just enter in some test information here. And let's just make a basic ad here. The location, you can put multiple things like local or nationwide, or it doesn't depend on what you're doing, or just normally put in your local city information. Add your local zip code. Select the condition of your item. You can contact by phone or by text. Normally doing both is good, so it puts in your information. And across these paragraphs, you can just put basically your information for your ad, but we put it into 4 paragraphs so you can spread out your information amongst all 4, and our system will help randomize that information for you to help make your ad look more unique to Craigslist on top of a lot of other things going on behind the scenes. So let's just do this really quick. Okay, so we got some basic information in. We can enter in some keywords here actually under manufacturer. You can put in search this things would type in, even like discount couch or something along those lines too. To choose the images on the machine, you just basically go into your pictures, and what's great is you're able to select maybe multiple photos at one time. We could select these like 4 photos, let's say, click open, and they all get saved into the system. And when you're done doing this process and creating your ad, just click Save. You'll see your ad now appear in your Adverts Manager list right behind that. Now you can go ahead and duplicate that ad actually, and now you have a duplicate copy of it that all you need to do is edit, and all of the information is already saved for you. So we could put some more information inside this ad, things like that. Once it's done, we can change up the title a bit. Instead of Great Couch for Sale, we could have Great Couch looking for new home. Now we've just made 2 Craigslist ads in seconds that you can post daily to Craigslist without any problems. So after we've made a couple ads in your system, you'll be able to go to a campaign manager and create a campaign. But let's go ahead and first, let's say, take a look at this ad, and we can preview the ad. and a pop-up window will open that will show you your ad and what the photos look like. We have a website service coming soon, which will actually turn all of these listings for you into a website that can be ranked by Google, and you can also send your customers there if you don't currently have a website. So after we're at this stage, let's just go ahead and close that out. Now we'll be able to go to Campaign Manager and actually build our first campaign and start posting ads. So what we're going to do in this section is we're going to do add a new campaign, and when you add a new campaign, you can give it a title. Let's put in a local couch for sale, Southern California. You could put a date on here. You can put the current date, which would be 10/5/15. And once that's done, you select the ads that you want to post. So you can select one at a time by highlighting it and clicking Add Selected, or you can select multiple ads at once and click Add All, or you can just click Add All and put all the ads over in this system that you want. So let's even click Add All. So now all of these ads are now over in this system. It actually loaded a duplicate of one of the ads because we already added it over there the first time. So you can also do remove all and remove all the ads, or just remove the selected ad that you want. Once you've done this step, then go to choose locations at the bottom of the window. Once you're in choose locations, you'll be able to select your Craigslist cities, your Kijiji cities, and your Oodle cities that will all get posted out to for this advertisement. So for sake of this demo, let's just do Craigslist first. The cities are normally alphabetical, and you just got to go and find your city inside the list, and you only have to do this one time because once you save it, all those cities are still going to remain there. So I'm just going to go through and pick a couple local cities to me. Let's do Orange County, and let's try like Los Angeles. And here we have all the cities in Los Angeles. Let's do Long Beach, and let's even try North San Diego. So we'll scroll down to S's for San Diego, and here we are. We have North San Diego. So once this stage is done, go ahead and click Save. And once you click Save, you'll have a message that will come up. So once your campaign created, you'll see the campaign appear in your screen here. I made a last second change to the title just to keep it simple for this demo. So once your campaign has been made, you basically select that campaign, you put in an interval that you want to have postings between your ads. Let's say 5 minutes is fair, and we're only going to select Craigslist for right now, and we'll start this campaign. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Start now. When you click Start, you'll have a window that will pop up in front of you like this that will show your advertisement progress, and on each one of these windows you can see what Kijiji would do and what Oodle would do. This campaign we're only running Craigslist, which we signified with this checkbox over here underneath the interval. So we'll just go ahead and let the process run. Okay, and I just logged into the Craigslist account. The first ad has posted. Now, sometimes when you post your original ads, they'll come in and they'll be inside of your draft section. If they do, just click on the ad and publish it, and you'll have to do an email verification on the first couple ads while Craigslist figures out who you are. So here it is, the first ad that we posted, great couch for sale, we won't be beat. Now, as we wait 5 minutes, we'll see another one that will get posted. So here's the advertisement. Let's go ahead and click on this. And now you can see here we have the ad. Here's the information below. Title information, everything is inside there just as we wanted. So going back to the software, we can see that it's going to wait 5 more minutes, and then it will post the next ad, and then wait 5 more minutes, and then it will post the next ad, and then wait 5 more minutes and post the next ad, and so on until it finishes. You can set your interval to be a longer frame of time if you want to post less ads throughout the day, or a faster rate at, let's say, 10 minutes per ad if you're planning on posting more than 50 ads with our system daily to your Craigslist account, or you might get a posting too rapidly error. Under the location, you can see that we have the city information name. So we have your 3 ads that we selected on the first ad that we're going to Orange County, Los Angeles, and San Diego, and then the second couch ad that we duplicated that will be going out to the same 3 cities. So imagine if you made 10 ads times 3 cities, you would have 30 ads in this list that would automatically be posting for you as you're relaxing. So let's go ahead and just put this in the background and take a look at the software again really quick. The next stage that we'll do after this is a backlink building campaign. Now, backlinks are amazing because what you can do is build up a lot of SEO organic rankings with this tool by creating links directly on the Google Plus servers, which are spidered by Google constantly, and we're going to be creating high quality links. So let's do some keywords that we would want to rank for on Google, let's say. How about Craigslist posting software? Maybe Mac friendly Craigslist software. So now you get the hang of it. Once we've got a list of a few keywords in here, or multiple keywords, as many as you want to paste, just make sure they're comma delimited. You go ahead and click save. Those are saved in the list, and now you're going to add your promotional URLs. So what I'm going to do is enter in my website URL. Or any URL you want to promote. If it's an interior URL in your system, then you want to do that one. So let's go ahead first and we'll create this, and we'll go ahead and click save. Now let's go back to the software. While this campaign is running in the background, let's run an SEO campaign. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to set up my Google Plus information here. Oh, I'm sorry, you cannot save your account information while a campaign is currently running. So what you would have to do is have all this information set up previously, but then you would be able to go into the backlink builder and finish this. So for sake of argument, let's see if this second ad is going to post here in a second for us. We're almost up on our 5-minute timer here. And then we'll proceed forward. So I'm going to go ahead and take a break for a second until the posting begins, and I will restart the video after the 5-minute interval has reached its point. Okay, so I'm resuming the video, and if you can see the time frames, we posted the first ad here at 22:02, and the clock at the bottom says 22:07. So now we are beginning to post that second ad, and it's actually going into Craigslist via Java and delivering your information through packets to the Craigslist website versus using a browser. This is a great advantage over you posting yourselves or most software out there and what they're doing currently. You're doing something completely new and never done before. And there you have it. The second ad has now posted, and it says posted to say that. It will wait another 5 minutes, and at 10:13, we'll post the next ad in the list. So just to go back to the Craigslist ad account to show you this, I'll go ahead and refresh this, and we'll go to our active ads. And now you can see the second ad posted to Orange County, which says looking for a new home, this item won't last. So we even put titles and information on these to help randomize even more. Let's go in and take a look at that ad, and here's the information, and you can see now that the information has been spun on the bottom, but we have all our same photos and everything in there. So here we go, 2 green ads in a few minutes. Sounds pretty good. So let's minimize this. Now that you can see how the structure of the campaign view works, let's go ahead and close out this information. You will click the X in the upper right corner to end your campaign, and you'll get a pop-up in front of you that will say if you close this window, your campaign will stop. Are you sure you want to do this? Click OK. And now we are ready to run our SEO campaign. So let's go ahead. We are inside the backlink builder, and let's go ahead and click Start SEO Campaign. And now what's going to happen, it's going to log into Craigslist, or I'm sorry, into Google Plus. It's going to put in your account details. Oh, we still need to enter the account details. Let's go ahead and do that first. So we'll just close out of that window. We'll go back to Profile. And we'll enter in our password data. And we'll go ahead and click Save. Now I am pretty sure I entered in this account information correctly, so we'll go ahead and click Confirm. And we'll go back to the backlink builder and we'll click Start SEO Campaign one more time. A pop-up window will open in front of you. It will go ahead and log into your account. Looks like the information was off that we have. Once your information is saved correctly, go back into the backlink builder and we're just going to go ahead and click Start SEO Campaign. First, let's edit our URLs if we forgot how to do that. So once you've saved your profile information, and you can go back to Backlink Builder, and after you've added your keywords and click Save and put in your URLs or URL and click Save, just go ahead and click Start SEO Campaign in the bottom right corner. You'll get a Google pop-up window in front of you that looks like this, and just let the software go to work and do its thing. So what it's doing now, it's logging into your Google Plus account and it's going to post high quality backlinks to your website that Google will be able to spider and find, and just watch it go. Look at this Craigslist posting software here at adclimber.com. It is just awesome. And there you go. Now we have a hyperlink that's going to take us over to our website to help promote. Now it's going to the next keyword in the list. Look at this Mac-friendly Craigslist software here at adclimber.com. Another backlink built pointing back to our website. And it's going to go ahead and do the third keyword in the list because that's all we entered. Look at this advertising software here at adclimber.com. So now, as we can see, if we click on this URL, here we go, right back to our website. High quality backlinks to help just catapult your listings on Google organically, so you can start paying less for pay-per-click and a lot less in advertising PPC marketing. So let's go ahead and close this. So now that this is done, let's just do a quick recap. We'll close this out. We can go back to the Advert Manager. That is where we're going to make our ads, create, preview, edit the ads, or remove them, or duplicate them. Once you're done making your ads, go to Campaign Manager, and you can edit a current campaign, or you can go in and add a new campaign. And once you've created a campaign and chosen your cities for all of your sites, you'll then have the choice of selecting either all 3 sites to post to, or one at a time, or just one. And once that is selected, just go ahead and click Start. And you'll have a window that will open up in front of you that looks like this, that will now begin to post your ad. And I would say this whole process takes probably 20 to 30 seconds with the organic delays that we have in the information packets that we're sending over to Craigslist for you. Almost done. And there you go, posted, completely done. You can go into your Craigslist account and verify this information by going in and refreshing your ad list. And as you post ads, maybe 70% will stick or even more. We do a lot of weird posting on this in cities that we don't even belong to, but you can see the difference in the activity between all of the cities that we're posting inside of and all the different ad types that we're trying to post. So good luck with the software, and we're here to help you and make sure that you have a pleasant experience. If you have any more questions, just feel free to fill out a support ticket at the top of the software that you can click on right here. Put in your Skype information and your phone number, and we'll get back to you within an hour or so. If you have any other questions, feel free to call or text us or email us directly. Thank you so much.